What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be giving you guys some clips of my Corsa Sport catback exhaust system on my 2014 GMC with the L83 5.3 liter. And this isn't necessarily a review of the product by any means. If it was, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. I love this system, but everybody's ears are different. Different people like different sounds, and in my opinion, for me, the Corsa worked out the best. It looks really good, it sounds really good, so let's get to some footage. One thing that I forgot to mention is I do have an Air-Aid MIT intake. Although I had the exhaust on before I installed the intake, there really isn't a whole lot of sound difference with it. A little bit more of a deeper tone and throaty sound, but nothing that would change up the way that the video sounds much. Alright, so here's some inside the cab clips. Got a car behind me, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off. But my V4 mode is disabled, so you really won't hear any drone. It really doesn't get that loud in the cab like I was expecting. I mean, the exhaust is obviously out of the back of the truck, so you're really not gonna hear much of it in the cab, only when you really get on it or if your windows are down. But I'll go ahead and stop the talking and cruise around for a little bit and let you guys hear it. There's a wide open throttle. To put it in perspective, I'm cruising at about 50 miles an hour right now, and you can hear my tires more than you can my exhaust. Alright, so I'm about to put the GoPro on the suction cup mount. I really wish I could get you guys a good solid cold start video, but it's 90 degrees here in September, so it's just not going to happen today. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up the exhaust video for today. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to comment below and let me know. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helped you guys out at all, feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see some more content, and appreciate you. Have a good day.